Welcome to the Foodilly channel. Ready to make a delicious sandwich with me? Let's go. First, we need 4 medium mushrooms. Slice the mushrooms into thin slices. Cut 2 medium onions in half and peel them. Chop the onions finely. Heat oil in a pan, then add the onions. Sauté the onions on low heat until they turn golden. Add a teaspoon of salt, paprika, and cinnamon. Add a teaspoon of garlic powder and thyme for extra flavor. Sauté until the spices release their full aroma. Add 250 grams of ground meat to the pan. Pour 200 milliliters of water for optimal cooking. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and stir well. Mix everything well until the tomato paste blends in. Add the sliced mushrooms to our meat mixture. Stir again until our sandwich filling is ready. Grab 4 slices of bread. Spread a spoonful of the meat mixture on each slice. Place the bread on the grill pan for toasting. Press down with a cooking weight for better grilling. Flip the sandwiches so both sides get grilled. Grill for 3 minutes on each side. Did you enjoy this video? Like the video and subscribe to the channel, please. Our tasty sandwich is ready. Enjoy your meal.